Okay, I've added the code for the table that I created in the previous video. Edit via code view. I've returned to node view. I just created this HTML panel with a load table button. The code that you get to paste into your bot will be contained in two loops. The first loop contains define commands that will require editing. The first one is create table define, which this button will run. You'll need to edit this depending on how you load your table. For example, if you scrape your data and save it to a CSV file and then want to load your table from that CSV file, you want to delete these first two commands and then just create table from your CSV file. The second one, I'll just load the table to demonstrate. You'll be able to see, excuse me, the background is black. The table's not fitting real well. It's got this extra scroll bar, so we can adjust the height, make it fit better. And you can change the background color here also if you want. You'll see it's made our table fit better. Got rid of that extra scroll bar. This column, I set it up to run a define command. It's created the define command and created some commands here. The alert command, you'll want to delete that at some stage. That's just to demonstrate. Click Peter, Joy. So the selected table cell is a variable you need to work with then for there. The context menu, there'll be, because I had 3 menu items for this context menu. So down the bottom there'll be 3 if commands that you see here. These shell commands, they weren't created. I added them before I started the video to save a little time. If commands are all created and you'll need to add your commands inside of those. So if URL is selected, if who is, and Alexa. So I've set it up to open in the default browser. There is also an alert down here that is created with the code. That's just for demonstrating, and you'll want to delete that at some stage. Just to demonstrate here, go to URL, and this is the alert command. So context menu was URL, selected table cell, call things. And if we call stuff, who is, and you'll see context menu was who is, and selected table cell, call stuff. With the drop down options which was set for this column, you won't need to edit anything in there. You can any changes you make, you can save current table, and you can select where to save it, create a new CSV file if you want. Undo, that'll take you back to the original table. Columns can be adjusted with filter. If you watch the previous video, I set it up that anything less than 1500 in column 4, this column, to be coloured green, which it has done. Filters, select anything less than filter. And again, if you be able to save the table, just what's displayed here, save the current table. I'll undo. New row, we'll insert a new row at the top, at the beginning. This is the column I made editable. Again, any changes you can save or undo. This icon here will allow you to hide columns. Yeah, I think that's about all I've got to show you. Okay, see ya.